This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming permissions and picking a delivery method. Once chosen, act immediately. Invite or enable a trusted YouTube playback bot, or prepare your desktop for Go Live screen share. Make sure Discord input/output are set to the device you want, and mute your mic if you only want audio. After joining the voice channel, test a short clip to confirm volume and latency. This first step prevents permission errors and wasted time later. Once connected, focus on stable playback and smooth transitions. If using a bot, learn its play/pause/cue commands and preload your playlist so the bot can buffer between tracks. If screen sharing, pick a sensible resolution like 720p or 1080p at 30 fps and set Discord bitrate to match. This reduces stutter. Make sure system sounds are minimized so notifications don't broadcast. Adjust volumes and test with a friend to confirm sync and acceptable quality before inviting more listeners. To finish cleanly, stop your screen share or issue the bot stop and clear commands, then leave the channel to free resources. If you need a copy, record with OBS or enable server-side recording where allowed. Make sure you have consent. If playback falters, first check bitrate and internet stability, then restart the bot or rejoin the voice channel. Often a quick reconnect resets audio streams. If problems persist, verify permissions and update, or replace the bot as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.